Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and offer free shipping on your products in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you have not already by going right here to shopify.com, and once you have opened it up, this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by. But first, in the upper right corner, you have to go ahead and log into your Shopify account or go ahead and create one if you do not already have one. So after logging in, this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by. From this main page right here, we can get started setting up and managing our store, and at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can go ahead and open up to manage our store. So what we're going to do is be using the discounts section right here. By opening up discounts, this is going to go and enable you to check all the discounts that you have applied to your store and that your customers can use when purchasing from your store. But what we can do is click right here in the upper right corner and click create discount. This is going to enable us to select the discount type, and as you can see, one of the options for the discount is going to be called free shipping. This is what you can use to offer free shipping on an order for your customers. So by clicking on it, it's going to open up this new page from where we can get started either going ahead and using a discount code that you can generate right here, or you input your own, or using it as an automatic. Once somebody orders anything on your store, they're going to go and be getting free shipping, and that is how it's done. You can edit all your options right here and the menu for your shipping options. So from there you can just click save. Once you have applied it, go back to your discounts page and you're going to go and be able to see it right here, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.